purchase inspection for a food truck. All we're gonna do is make sure that everything is working properly. Yeah, that bad boy right there, nice.
Yeah.
What's in there? So it's
350.
350? So we're trying to jump off the batteries that go to the generator, which I've already showed y'all. Switch for the generators in that top left corner. Maybe a purchase that really only needed a motor, and we were coming to test everything else out. So far we haven't been able to test anything. Ah, what's up, brother, man? Oh yeah, another day in the office, huh? Marcel, man. Ken, nice to meet you, Ken. So what happened to her? Just the motor went out? Okay. Yeah, I don't know why they do that. Two right now. Can we test everything? We got no juice to it. Could be the wiring going to it. Everything else out. Propane tank. None to the back. Dish pit. It's gonna need. That should work. And the fire suppression system. It's set right now. Which is good. And a flat top. This could work good for him. He does tacos, so he can do his tortillas are here. And okay, we got a prep cooler here with a prep top. You can do whatever you need to on the top of here. And the appliances. Looks like these swing up and work pretty well. We want to check and make sure this AC works. Obviously, concept for him. I would say it's real good for his flow. Yo.
Well, now I'm gonna do it.
Nice.
This truck run dry.
Really?
I want to drive this truck, and I want to drive fuel efficient just like everybody else.
I like the tire they had on it.
I was gonna keep that motor in. Hey,
What's up, brother?
I just started the general.
Skylark. Old classic here. I believe you said it was a 60s model, late 60s. You'd have to do like around here, but I mean, it's lifted. Dope boy status. Yep. This is what you get here at Puro Mobile. Take you on some of our adventures. As we're in our daily endeavors.